together with Mr. Duane. The third respondent is decided by my learned senior Mr. Bati and his team, and Mr. Ola appears for the IDC.
Who is for the third respondent?
I appear together with Mr. Brian Ondigi. Sorry, Benjamin Ondigi. And Mr. Brian Onderi for the third respondent. Benjamin Ondigi. Ondigi, O-N-D-I-G-I. And Brian Onderi, O-N-D-E-R-I.
My lady, process server, and the other parties, and the process server is in court. We can begin.
Yes.
Touching the matter in question.
Touching the matter in question.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God. Kellen Kent.
Are you a process server?
Yes.
There is an affidavit of service dated 21st of September.
Is able to establish upon affidavit.
I came in a hurry. I didn't carry that. I noticed when I was here in Nairobi. I am Kellen Kent.
Maybe she knows, and then if you still insist, she can bring the ID. Atarika's
Court?
2344 9966.
My lady, then we would request that you record that, and then they can supply that ID with those particulars. It's because the proceedings are being recorded.
My ID
Where do you ordinarily practice your trade?
in Meru.
So who gave you the instructions to serve process to the third respondent?
Mr. Kiogora.
When was this?
On 18th September.
On 18th September.
Yes.
Where were you on the 18th of September?
I was in Meru.
You and me.
Yes.
Okay. What time was that?
Yes.
2, 3?
I think it was after lunch, 2-3.
Or 2, 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when did you leave Meru?
I left Meru on the 18th in the evening at around 5.
At around 5?
Yes.
Okay. And then, did you have the petition?
Yes.
You had the petition in Meru?
Yes.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Who's the advocate for the petitioner?
Mr. Kiogora and the other name. I forgot the other name.
Mr. Kiogora? Okay.
Yeah, I know Mr. Kiogora.
Yes, but the petition is drafted by which advocates?
It's,
No, don't look.
I can't remember.
You can't remember who the advocates for the petitioner are?
No. Outside the school. It's not the issue of the process.
This is the cross-examination, and cross-examination is wide. You cannot confine the questions you want to ask the witness. We proceed, Mr. Omanza.
Yes, ordinarily when practice.
Yes, yeah, I am supposed to.
You're supposed to.
Yes.
But in this instance, you do not know.
In fact, I didn't even indicate in my affidavit. I think it was an oversight.
That's an oversight.
Yeah.
Now, when were you licensed to serve process?
2017.
That is the first time you are licensed.
2017.
Okay.
Yes.
show you an affidavit. My lady, I would wish to show the witness an affidavit of Fatuma Gedi, which was, I don't know whether you have it in court.
Which one?
Is an affidavit. This affidavit. Yes. Yes.
Replying affidavit.
Yes, replying affidavit.
Yes, I have the affidavit.
Yes, my lady, perhaps if you can have a look at that affidavit, the affidavit I have is not signed or dated.
Yes, it is not.
It's not signed or dated.
The one in the bottom is signed.
Do you maybe ask the signature of the commissioner for
Yes, my lady, that's actually the affidavit we have.
Yes, I confirm it is the same one. In the court record.
Have you produced any document with you to demonstrate that you have a current practicing certificate?
Yes.
Which one?
It is in the file. I gave it to the advocate.
My lady, I would wish to the further affidavit of Fatuma Gedi, dated 6th of October 2022. This is a document which was downloaded from the Kenya Law Reports. And according to that document, which has the certificates, the current certificate, people who are certified to practice as process servers in this year, your name does not appear in it. Are you able to explain why?
The one I downloaded, it has. I have a copy. I think Mr. Joe has it. For this one, he told me it's not, but there is one I downloaded. This one doesn't, but the other
No,
one.
just answer the
Yes,
question.
this one it doesn't.
It does not have.
Yes. 667.
The certificate number
Yes.
for this year.
Yes.
I'm trying to use the mic.
Okay, sorry. 667.
Now, where is Safari Park?
Safari. Okay, I'm not used to Nairobi,
Yes.
but at the date of service, I was with the petitioner. Yes.
Okay, so does Safari Park have a gate, a brown gate, a black gate? How does it look like when you enter?
Can't remember the
You can't remember.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you said that you served the process on the third respondent. Had you met her before?
No.
So you didn't know her? Okay. On this day that you allege that you served her, where did you serve her? Where was she? In Safari Park.
They had a meeting there at
Where?
the Safari Park.
Where?
At the Safari Park hotel.
Where at Safari Park? At the reception?
No.
Where was it?
No, I was with the petitioner.
No.
Yes.
We don't contest that you're the petitioner, but
Yes.
where did you find her in Safari Park?
Within the compound.
Where?
She was within the compound. That's what I can say.
That's what you can say.
Yes.
Okay. there was no security that was available to the because that was a big event for all the MPs that had been elected. That was the induction meeting, according to you. Was there security?
Yes.
There was present security. So you just walked and found her somewhere in the field and gave her the document?
No, I was accompanied by the petitioner, and she told me she's the one. Then I served her.
Okay. So did you serve her in a particular room?
No, in the compound.
Where in the compound?
In the safari. There, I was just told she's the one, and I was in a hurry because I was going back to Mary.
Was she alone?
I only introduced myself, and I called her.
You called her?
Yes.
By her name?
Excuse me. Then she came.
Okay. What is her name?
Fatuma Gedi. No, not Fatuma Gedi. Fatuma.
Fatuma who?
Fatuma. These names are confusing me. Fatuma. Maybe you let me confirm from.
No. Don't look. I'm cross-examining you. Can you kindly don't look at your phone?
Okay.
What is her second name?
Fatuma. Something. I don't. I think I don't remember the other name.
You don't remember the other name?
Because there's Fatuma Gedi, there's Fatuma. I don't know.
In your affidavit, do you say which Fatuma you served?
Yes.
And according to your affidavit, which Fatuma did you serve? Don't look at your phone. Because
not the petitioner. I know the petitioner is Fatuma Gedi.
Yes, but in your affidavit, that you brought to this court.
Yes.
For return of process.
Yes.
You're looking at your phone. My lady, if you can.
You know this.
No.
She said that she cannot remember the name. But no, if he refers her to the affidavit, then she can.
I'm the one conducting the examination.
Okay, proceed.
Do you remember? Excuse me. You cannot be looking at your phone while we are cross-examining.
Okay.
So, which Fatuma did you put in your statement that you served? What is the second Fatuma name?
Fatuma. Then there is Abdi. But I can't remember all the names the way they are. If I can't refer them to my affidavit.
Okay. Now, when you finished service, where did you prepare this?
In Meru.
You prepared this in Meru. Your affidavit of service was prepared in Meru.
I went back to Meru, then I prepared it.
You prepared it. Then you had it commissioned.
Yes.
Before.
Oh, you know, when I did all this, my dad was in hospital. So I prepared it. I did everything, then I gave it to Mr. Kyogora.
Okay. Was this affidavit commissioned?
Yeah. I'm sure it was commissioned.
Did you appear before Commissioner for what?
Yes.
Who?
Mr.
Which commissioner of what? For what?
Can I refer?
No, I'll refer you. First, I'm testing your bona fides before I go to the document.
Okay, I sent someone to go to the commissioner for it.
Or you sent somebody.
Yes.
So you did not have it as yourself appear.
As I've told you, I was going to see my dad in the hospital.
Now, you remember how the petitioner looked like? The third respondent looks like? I showed you her right now. Would you identify her?
try.
You can try.
Yes.
Where is she seated in this court?
I think she's the one who is having the mask. Not that
There are
one.
three ladies.
This one. The one. This one. This one. With the purple. Yes.
Is she the one?
Yes.
Yes. To know whether she has identified the correct person.
So which one are you identifying?
The lady.
Which one?
The with purple. Yes. No, the one at the end.
No, you cannot do it.
Yes.
Then taking around, we just
My lady, let her identify. Because in my view, I think there are two couples.
No, it's one.
Let her go and touch it.
Yeah. Now, what time did you serve her?
At around 1.
1 p.m.
Yes.
You're sure about that? You're sure it was 1 p.m.?
At around.
So at around was what? 1 p.m., 1:30, 12:30,
1 to 2.
or 1 to 2? Okay. Now, can you confirm that your certificate, the one that you took in 2021, was valid for 1 year?
2021, 2022.
No. This is a certificate.
2021, 2022.
Yes.
Yes.
So, did you have a certificate from 2022 to 2023?
No, I have 2021, 2022, which is still valid.
Confirm to the court when you paid for your certificate.
5th February 2021.
5th February 2021.
Yes.
It's in that Derby. They're playing at Derby. They're playing at Derby. Before it. It's an next time.
Of
Fatuma Gedi, yes.
That list.
Just the list.
Yes.
When you met the third respondent, was she alone?
Yes.
She was alone.
Yes.
Malady, that would be all.
and also some issues. Hopefully that is the signature or is supposed to be the signature.
Well, no, that's the one that's in the portal. I think that's the printed.
This which one?
The one now with the signature and the date. The one that
Is the one
printed
in the
that
photo?
Yeah, the one in the photo. I just gave my learning senior a copy for them just because I had also sent them what is in the photo. I just gave them that as a hand.
Sorry, lastly, let me It's not the same that you signed here?
Yes.
Is it the same?
No. Yes. No. Yes.
It's not the same.
Speak to them like
Okay. Sorry.
Is it the same signature?
Yes. No. You know, I'm nervous. I'm even unable to sign the signature.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's not the same.
Yes.
Court, your certificate number. Can you read the certificate number to the court?
Number 667.
667.
Yes.
When is the date of renewal?
5th February 2021.
And what is the duration of that license?
For 2 years.
From which year?
2021, 2022.
2022. For how long have you been a processor?
Now 5 years.
And you confirm to this court that you served the documents to that respondent?
Yes.
That's all, my lady.
My lady, the ID should be produced.
Yes.
That will be fine.
And I suggest you be uploaded on the portal, so that you don't have to take a day for her to produce the ID.
No, no.
Very good.
This box.
That the evidence I shall give
Before this court,
before this court,
touching on the matter in question,
touching the matter in the question,
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mheshimiwa, can you state to the court your names for purposes of the record?
My name is Fatuma Gedi, the county MP Wajir.
Now, do you recall what you were doing on the 19th of September?
Yes,
You can just briefly state to the court.
induction for all the elected MPs. We were at Safari Park for the entire week from 19th to, I've forgotten, but I believe it was 19th to 24th, I'm not sure, but starting from 19th. Yes.
Now, you've read the affidavit of Kellen Kendi,
Yes.
dated 21st September 2022.
Yes.
Now, can you confirm to this court whether on the 19th at 1 p.m. she served you with process of the petition?
I was never served. I have never met Kellen. It's the first time I'm seeing her. I'm actually surprised. Yes.
What were you doing at around 1? Are you able to account for your time between 1 and 2? Or 1 and 2:30?
2:30, yes.
Yes.
I remember that particular day we had started our session a bit late. So by the time, I believe 1, we were still at the session.
Okay.
Yes. From there, I remember.
Do you remember what time that session ended?
Yeah, around 1:30.
Okay.
Yes.
Then what happened thereafter?
I had gone for my prayers in the company of, I remember Mheshimiwa Rueda from Lamu East and Mheshimiwa Amina from Tana River to pray at Rueda's room.
Okay.
Yes.
Where was this room?
At Safari Park?
Okay.
Yes.
So after 1:30 you went for prayers?
For prayers. Then I went for lunch with their company still.
Yes.
So I don't remember I was alone at that from 1 to 2:30.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. My lady, that's sufficient. Unless the court has an issue.
She will be cross-examined.
But
Right.
I'll refer you to your father affidavit. The father affidavit dated 6th of October 2022. The way you are now explaining to court, why didn't you account that in the affidavit?
I believe it's well accounted for, unless you have not seen it.
I've already mentioned some colleagues that you are with.
Right.
Why haven't they done an affidavit to support whatever you are telling this court?
I don't know whether I'll be allowed, but you know, as Muslims, there are things that we never thought it will happen. I don't know whether I'm out of order, you will correct me, but I never thought something that has never happened, I'll be here to be cross-examined for something that never happened.
A simpler question. Why didn't you mention your colleague in your father affidavit?
Because I was never served. Was there a point? I don't see.
So you didn't see it necessary to mention the people you are with?
Because if anything, if I was ever served, if I'm out of order, kindly correct me. But I didn't see the point, to be honest, because we were never served. I've never met the process server. It's my first day.
Okay.
It was very clear, and it's good if they prove that we were served.
You want to tell this court that on this 19th day of September, you are not aware of any election petition against yourself?
Not at all.
When did you appoint your advocate, Mr. Mwanza, in this case?
Immediately I saw the Gazette notice.
When was that?
Oh, I don't remember the date. I wish I had my...
No, I can refer you to your affidavit.
It's the same day the Gazette notice was out.
I can refer you to your application, your... Affidavit in the notice of motion dated 23rd of September 2022.
Pardon?
I'll refer you. Address. So, my lady, I'm referring now to paragraph 4 of supporting affidavit. Can you read this to court?
Me?
Yes, just read paragraph 4 to court.
That I only learned on the instant election petition on through the Gazette notice number 11183 of 2021 dated 15th September 2022 by Hon Chief Justice appointing by Gazette various judges to hear and determine election petition countrywide, including this particular petition.
So by this 15th of September, had you instructed your advocate?
By the end of the day, yes.
By that 15th?
Yes.
I'll refer you to a certain document. My lady, there's a document, a screenshot from the e-filing that we filed on the 7th of October 2022, and it's served to all the parties.
Can I respond to that? Document that is on record, and if it's a screenshot, my lord, it means that it is electronic evidence. It's not been brought properly to the court. Under section 1 or 6B of the Election of the Evidence Act, it's not admissible. So it should not waste the court's time.
Normally, these are documents that is in the court system. And I know why counsel is objecting. But I could be late.
He knows how to produce electronic evidence. You cannot take a screenshot of a phone.
It's not a screenshot of the phone.
Or whatever it is.
No. You know we are using both hard copies and documents that are in the portal. What we need to confirm is whether it is in our portal. If it is there, then we don't need to call, we don't have to rely on the Evidence Act for its production. If we are using the hard copies, so if that confirmation is required, it can go to the portal.
I want you to read to the court. Is a request. Is a request by who? Requested by?
Michogo and Mwanza.
Michogo and Mwanza.
Yes.
Is that your advocate?
Right.
What is the date of the request? The filing date?
Mm-hmm.
No, read to court.
When is 12th
12th of?
September
At what time?
at 9.
At 9. I would further request that you read the description of what is the request, the nature of the request. Read it to court. Read the nature, what is there from the kindly map.
Can I make
No, just read. I'm the one who is asking questions.
kindly map the case number HC-CHREP stroke E005 stroke 2022 into my profiles. Note that I have instructions to act for respondent.
Respondent, name?
Fatuma Gedi.
Abdijeho. Is that you?
True.
So by 12th of September, you had already instructed your advocate and you filed a notice of appointment in court. Is that true?
I can't recollect the date, but what I think, Your Honor, we are humans. The date, we may mismatch the date, but I believe I'm being cross-examined.
My question is not about the date. I'm asking.
Let me talk. I thought I'm the one who's supposed to talk.
No, I'm the one who's asking
you
questions,
talk.
then you answer. You answer questions the way I ask.
Yes, and
My
I will
question is
also
this.
say
By
what
this,
I think is
yeah,
right.
you would say,
Yeah.
by this time, you had instructed your advocate. Is that correct from this document?
I'll want to say what I know is right. You'll not push me to say what I don't think I don't know.
Just answer the question the way he has put it.
My question
I
is very
want to
simple.
answer what I know is correct and what I know, Your Honor.
No, your advocate will ask you those questions, then you can answer the way you want to answer. But for now, I'm asking you this. From this document, it's clear that by 12th of September, you had appointed an advocate to act in this matter. Is that correct? From this
I
document?
can't say it's correct.
Okay, proceed.
Yeah.
You have an answer.
Okay, I have an answer now. No, that's all, unless if my colleague has something to add.
When did you appoint your advocate? Can you tell me?
That question is asked.
That question has been
It
asked.
takes a different
No,
time.
leave it
And
to
in
me.
any case, I have the right to ask questions. I just want to answer it. I'm leading to something.
I believe the question has been asked and I've answered.
Answer the
Just
question.
answer it.
Answer the question.
Immediately I saw the Gazette notice.
It is on 15th of September, right?
Yes.
However, in the judiciary portal, and that is a judiciary document, we could not produce it under a certificate as required under the evidence law because we were advised by the judiciary that that is a document that the court should take a judicial notice of. We therefore don't need to produce it under a certificate. In any case, the document is still there. In that document, my lady, if I read it, it says that is the counsel on record for the third petitioner. Kindly map me in this matter. I'm on record for the third petitioner.
Yes, I have the document, Mr. Duane. And I'm aware that parties were told to file.
Your advocate will have filed a document without your instructions. Of all the 115 election petitions that were there in Kenya, how come that your advocate has filed a notice of appointment of advocates within 2 working days of the petition being filed? Please explain that to us.
I believe my advocate was working on my request. So I don't think The date can be, we could be wrong on the date, but not.
So your advocate was working on your request to file and act on your behalf. Are you aware, you therefore conclude that the advocate filed this notice with the instructions?
My advocate can help.
I did not get a conclusive answer for that. Are you
He can help on where I'm stuck.
So it is correct to say that you are aware of the existence of the matter.
I was not.
Therefore, appointed an advocate to act for you in the matter and enter appearance. The way of enter appearance online is requesting the map. It's not something we can change the date or we can change of the contract. It is on the judiciary website. It's the online document, so that even you yourself can access the document.
On the matter of the date, I may not cram the dates, but I can assure you that I am here for the issue of being served, right?
Yes.
I'll be obliged if you prove that I was served.
The issue of service was for my colleague to handle. I was just to handle on whether you had personal knowledge of the existence of the matter. Because
through the Gazette notice, I don't know whether that is clear.
An advocate enter appearance or a client see evidence of service. Otherwise, that advocate will not have come to court.
I believe I'm here for service.
You are here for two reasons. One, for service. Second, the fact that you say you are not aware of the existence of the matter.
How do I say it? Can I say it in Kisomali? No. I think you are the ones lying. Sorry to say.
Fatuma, we are here just to prove that you had personal knowledge of the existence of the matter.
How?
Because your advocate entered appearance on matter until it was gazetted on 15. Correct?
True.
At the same time, your advocate entered appearance on 12. Kindly explain the irregularities in the two. That's all I want to point out.
We are dwelling so much on that. I cleared myself. I said I learned it. Great. We should, I think, transact business in Somali.
I assume the court has taken notice of that.
Yes, I have.
Yes. No, it's my first time to see her.
And how did you learn about this petition?
Through the Gazette notice.
Is the Gazette notice of the Chief Justice?
True, yes.
Was there any actual paper, any actual documents which were presented to you?
No.
I think that's all.
My lady, to the first digest at page 24. This is the case of Kagonyi versus Gadoa and another. My lady, I don't know what page. Yes. Okay. Lady, we have an extra copy that at page 20. My lady, it's at page 18. Page 18, para advocate for the petitioner. You see that at para 40 going down. The second respondent then left the offices while Kibe sat there and waited for Mr. Ngatia to acknowledge receipt of the document, which he later did by signing on the back. And then you go to the next page, it says that Mr. Ngatia's official